Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing the YoyoFactory tooHOT. So this comes in a, I don't know what to call it, but it's like a box. It's not like the traditional YoyoFactory packaging, but I really like it. It says, it's got a little red tooHOT on here. The edge and the shutter and all those awesome yo-yos all have the same exact packaging, but with their own logo on it. So now to unbox it, it comes off and it slides off sort of hard. Hold on a second. Okay, so here's the thing. It's got tooHOT and YoyoFactory down in the bottom right hand corner, and here is the yo-yo. I got the purple with silver speckle. I really like it. It looks really pretty. I don't have any purple yo-yos other than this one. So let's get it out of the package. It comes with this weird packaging thing. Let me pry the yo-yo out of here. It comes, okay. Ooh, there goes the bearing. So I'm assuming, since this one didn't come with the little trick set thing, I'm assuming YoyoFactory thinks, oh, the person who's buying this yo-yo is somewhat intelligent and knows how to yo-yo. So let's screw it apart and let's see what we have in here. So you have red response pads with a ball bearing. The response pads are actually competition pads, so they will wear out really quickly. So when getting this, I might suggest ordering a secondary response pad. Okay, so let's get down and start playing with this yo-yo. First throw, I can tell that this yo-yo is very heavy, and I'm guessing it spins for a long time. Yeah, but it moves with surprisingly good speed, and it's also very stable. It's not gonna tilt or anything. I mean, since I threw it the first time, it hasn't tilted at all. It's staying perfectly nice. So for grinding, ooh, this is like really nice. Yeah, it just fits in the groove of your finger really nicely. Probably grind for a really long time, even though I'm not that great. Yeah, it's just an all-around good, stable yo-yo. I'm probably not going to use it for competing, though. There's a bunch of better choices out there for competing, although if you really wanted to, I guess you could. Yeah. Okay, let's get into the finger spin section. Nothing has changed since the last time I tried to finger spin, and I still am awful. I'll give it off to my friend. Okay, so the first thing I noticed about the tooHOT is there's a pretty big indent, or outdent, my bad, in the middle of it. So I don't really know if that's going to affect. Oh wow, this is actually pretty good. If you can get your finger in the right direction and if you can get your finger in the right direction of the yo-yo gap, then you should be good. But if you can't get it there, then finger spins aren't going to be good for you at the start. But if you can finger spin other yo-yos and like you're confident with finger spinning, then this one would be a good choice. But I wouldn't go into a competition with a finger spin and use this one. Yeah, see, if you angle your finger down like that, it will just balance and hover on the outdent of the yo-yo. So once again, yeah. So I mean, it's okay finger spinner, but that's my thoughts on finger spins. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope to see you in the next one. Stay tuned. Peace out.